Hi, KSC Center Director Bob Cabana here, outside KSC, wishing you all a Happy New Year as we go inside KSC. This year we'll see continued growth, innovation, and exploration. We'll launch several scientific missions in 2021 to expand our understanding of the Earth and the heavens. More crewed flights will be launched to the International Space Station, and 2021 will see the first uncrewed flight test of NASA's Space Launch System rocket and our Orion spacecraft on the Artemis I flight from right here at Kennedy. Important activities are taking place this week at Kennedy as we prepare to launch the most powerful rocket in the world later this year. Stacking of the Space Launch System rocket boosters for the Artemis I mission continued inside the vehicle assembly building. The right and left aft center segments were lifted and stacked atop the already stacked aft segments on the mobile launcher. Artemis I will be the first integrated flight of the SLS rocket and Orion spacecraft. The uncrewed flight test will demonstrate our commitment and capability to extend human existence to the moon and beyond. Kennedy's Mark Wiese, Gateway Deep Space Logistics Manager, was the keynote speaker for the virtual SpaceWaves conference. He explained the importance of commercial opportunities in developing NASA's deep space commercial supply chain that will enable the next moon landing and Mars missions. Gateway is integral to NASA's Artemis program that will land the first woman and next man on the moon by 2024. For more Inside KSC, check us out on social media and at nasa.gov/Kennedy.
Hey everybody, I'm NASA Kennedy's Max Schneiderman, Executive Intern of the Center Director, and I'm outside KSC taking you inside KSC. For more Inside KSC, catch us on social media and at nasa.gov/